Hi, I'm Michael with AirTech of Humble. This is my Tech Tip Tuesday. So a lot of times we'll go into homes in the summertime and the system's running, but the home is uncomfortable. And at the thermostat, we'll find that the fan has been turned into the on setting instead of the auto setting. What that does is it runs the fan 24/7. With the fan running 24/7, when the AC shuts off, it pushes the humidity from the attic equipment back into the home, along with heat from the attic. So you don't get a comfortable home. It's very easy to fix and check. You'll go to your thermostat, you find the fan setting, and you want it in auto during the summertime. And that's it. I'm Michael, and this was your Tech Tip Tuesday.